Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hey everyone, Sue here at 1A Auto, and today I'm going to show you how to check your coolant on a 2018 Mazda 3 with a 2.5 liter. You need any parts for your car? Click on the link below and head on over to 1AAuto.com. The hood release location is on the driver's side, left side of your knee. It's located with the car and the hood opened. It's a lever right there. I'll show you. You lift it up, and right in the center is the lever. That's the hood lock latch. And you bring it over to the driver's side. You lift your hood. The prop rod's in the front, and the location is clearly marked with an arrow. Here we have the overflow tank for the coolant. This is the radiator cover. The car is warm, so I can't open it. I like to wait a minimum of an hour to 2 hours, mostly 2 hours, to take that cover off because it's under pressure and I don't want to get burned. So you can always check your fluid level and add in the overflow tank. You can see it's clearly marked here. The F is for full and the L is for low. And this car is warm, so I'm closer to the full, right where it should be. When it's cold in the morning and hasn't been running for several hours, the coolant should be down here on the low mark. That doesn't mean add. If it's cold and the engine's cold itself, that's perfect. That's where it should be. Always check your owner's manual for the type of coolant before you add.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.